We pillage and plunder, we rifle and loot. Drink up, me heart is yo ho. We kidnap and ravage, we don't give a hoot. Drink up, me heart is yo ho. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We extort and pilfer, we filch and sack. Drink up, me heart is yo ho. Maraud and embezzle and even hijack. Drink up, me heart is yo ho. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We kindle and char and inflame and ignite. Drink up, me heart is yo ho. We burn up the city, we're really a fright. Drink up, me heart is yo ho. Drink up, me heart is yo ho.
That's the sound of a chicken.
Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Me heart is yo ho. I'm a word loved by our mommies and dads. Drink up, me heart is yo ho. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
Cheers.
There you go, bud.
To sailing.
Woo, yeah.
Arr.
Viking. Just now. Take a chip, take a chip, take a chip, take a chip now. Hey, shake it, hip, shake it, hip, shake it, hip, shake it, hip, wow. We are the sound of 100,000 coming off the road. We are the vibration that you feel when the music loads. We are the mud and the oil and we come the dirty of the clothes. I made the girl them wine and strike the electric pose. Hey. Take a chip, take a chip, take a chip, take a chip now. Hey, shake it, hip, shake it, hip, shake it, hip, shake it, hip now. Hey, take a sip, take a sip, take a sip, take a sip now. Wine and go dip, and go dip, and go dip, and go dip now. Hey, I swear we are the sound them selectors play every day, making you sway. Hey, and when the girl them telele and shadow dingole, I hear this one crowd say, hey, we are the sound of soca. Big bad soca. Big bad soca. Big bad soca. Hey, when we play, everyone start dancing in the middle of the road. Cause we don't need no permits to free these hearts and soul. Hey. Tuesday morning we trip with snake and a cricket and a toad. Cause everything is everything and that time anything goes. Take a chip, take a chip, take a chip, take a chip now. Shake it, hip, shake it, hip, shake it, hip, shake it, hip, wow. Yo, take a sip, take a sip, take a sip, take a sip now. Yeah, and go dip, and go dip, and go dip, and go dip now. I tell them we are the sound them selectors play every day, making you sway. Hey. And when the girl them telele and shadow dingole, I hear this one crowd say, hey, this is the sound of soca. Big bad soca. Big bad soca. Big bad soca. Check, check, check. We have the champion sound. Everybody whine to the champion sound. We have the champion sound. Wine and go down to the champion sound. We have the champion sound. Everybody whine to the champion sound. We have the champion sound. Everybody whine to the soca.
If I could count every grain of sand on the beach, wouldn't be more than every waving hand in the street. Yeah, please pardon me if I don't know your name, but I know the face. Last time I saw you, you was in the middle jumping up, having a time. I could see you winding up that waist from miles away. On our truck singing a song, you know every line to it, and I ain't hear you when you call. effect that I was in, yeah. It's all on me was stay outside the gate and they let me in. Last time I saw you, you was in the middle jumping up, having a time. I could see you winding up that waist from miles away. On our truck singing a song, you know every line to it. And I ain't hear you when you call. I know the face. You look familiar, but your name just slipped me. Yeah, your name just slipped me. I just can't remember at all. Don't make no difference once you're right here with me. Just stay right here with me. I know the face.
Siminen, nah. Siminen, soca does give me powers. Yeah, make me jump and fit for hours. Nah, soca does give me powers. Yeah, drink me rum and share with others. Fit for hours. Soca powers, it's a wonderful feeling to share with others, with all my brothers and all my sisters. Today we making we name, call the party is on.
Yeah, get them in there. Get them in there.
You need to get in here.
Where is he?
Go, John. Go.
Better come up here.
Please,
Bring your
go.
calf with you. Don't worry about that sand. The rum will kill it. I like that cork, right, the wine cork on the end of your hook.
All right.
Oh, there he goes. I got a wheelbarrow, girl. Don't worry about it. Chipper! All right, back to the show. Here we gotta let it breathe. Hey, folks, allow me to introduce myself. For you new folks here, my name is Michael Beans, and I have been sailing these waters for 43 years, and I'm here to tell you right now, I'm very proud of the fact that in that time, I have collected over 3,000 pirate toasts. Funny you should ask. It's any old toast, really. Just hang up. We'll call it a dangling modify. You getting my drift? Beautiful. Folks, it's a shame out of 3,000 toasts, some 35, 43 years later, that I can only remember 6 of them. They're good ones, though. So let's get this party started. Let's hoist our drinks up in the sky. And if you're not drinking tonight, you can shoot me a peace sign. It's fine. And it goes just like this. Of all the ships that sail on the Caribbean Sea, there's tall ships and small ships and ships that wanna be. But of all these ships, my friends, I'm telling you for true, the best ships are friendships, like the ones between me and you. Whose party is this? Party, and I'll drink to that.
The glass on.
Sail away. Come on, baby.
hope it feels good. There you go. Sail, sail away. Ah, here comes the best part. Drop your arms on someone you love. Oh, it is a love song. And all the stars come out, and the music of the night begins to play. We gotta see Gypsy Holiday. I didn't ask you girls. I'm trying to ask the guys to come up and dance with you. I'll give them another one. Are you ready? Gentlemen, who's the famous pirate from the North Sound, the Virgin Gorda?
Blackbeard.
Solid blow is an order.
All right, Cheryl, you got this shit. Don't move it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I love you. That was absolutely dainty. Yeah.